If you're using PotPlayer and you want your videos to always start in full screen automatically, then you're in the right place. Just follow these quick steps with me and you'll have it set up in no time. First, open PotPlayer. Now go to the top left corner and click on the PotPlayer menu. From the drop-down, hover over Playback, and then click on the last option, Playback Settings. A new settings window will pop up. Now look for the section called Default Window Size. Click on the drop-down menu there and choose Full Screen, Keep AR. You can also select any other option that suits your preference from that list. Once done, click OK to save the changes. Alright, let's test it out now. I'll close PotPlayer and open it again. Now I'll drag a video file into the player like this. And as you can see, it opens directly in full screen. If you want to bring up the playlist sidebar, simply move your mouse to the right edge of the screen, just like this, and the playlist will appear. And if you want to hide the playlist when you're not in full screen mode, just click on the three-line icon at the bottom right here, and the playlist will disappear in windowed mode. And that's it. Now your PotPlayer is all set to start videos in full screen automatically. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.